Today's shorba is a very healthy recipe packed with lots of flavor, nutrition, and of course, oats and chicken. We're going to use very simple ingredients to make this shorba or the soup. It tastes really delicious. So, we'll be using two medium sized onions for this recipe, carrots, about half a carrot or small, one full if it's small, 1 cup of chicken, coriander leaves 2 tablespoons, mint leaves about 6 to 8, and green chilies chopped. I've used 2. Please use it according to your taste. You can just add 1 if you don't eat spicy, and garlic about 1 tablespoon finely chopped. Oil about 3 to 4 tablespoons, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon chili powder, and about 3/4 teaspoon salt, or add salt to your taste, 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped, and oats about 5 tablespoons is what I've used. So these are the ingredients, and let's start making the soup. This is really very delicious and it hardly takes time to make this, and it's better than the store bought, so you can make your own chicken and oat soup at home. And instead of the chicken cubes or the pieces, you can use minced meat or minced chicken also, or you can chop the chicken into even more smaller pieces. I've added the oil and added the onions. We're just going to fry this till it turns pink. We're not going to brown the onions for this recipe. So we'll just fry it. It takes about 2 minutes for this. The onions are done. We'll add in the chopped garlic and the chopped green chilies into this. It's a real flavorful and delicious soup or shorba, and you can also have this for in Ramadan for the iftar. It's called ash as well, which is made with rice and suji or rava, and you can also have it made with oats. So these are very popular dishes during Ramadan as well. So I'm adding in the chopped coriander and the pudina or the mint leaves. You just fry it for a few seconds, and then we'll add in the rest of the masalas, the salt, turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. It hardly takes any time for this, and you don't even need to use the pressure cooker. You can serve it as an evening snack or an appetizer starter. You can just the kids will love the flavor of the soup. So I've added the chicken pieces. It tastes great even with the minced meat. Let's add in the carrots. You can also add in chicken cube for this, that's optional, or chicken powder. But the chicken that we've added is more than enough. And here we add in the tomatoes as well. You can also add in chicken with the bones. After you cook it, after the soup is cooked, you can remove the chicken, you can separate the chicken from the bones and add it to the soup or the shorba. That also is another option. So we'll just close the lid and cook the tomatoes till they are soft. The tomatoes are cooked, so now I'm adding the oats. Let's mix it well with the masala. This quantity easily serves 4 people. Now let's add in about 2 glasses of water. The water should cover the oats mixture completely. Mix it well, check for salt and the chilies. You can also add in some pepper powder while serving. Let's close the lid and cook it on a low flame for some time. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 . . . 。 . . . 。 . 。 . . . 。 . . 。 . . . . . . The shorba, the soup, oats, chicken, and soup, or the shorba is ready to serve. It hardly took about 10 minutes to make this, and the delicious bowl of healthy and nutritive soup is ready. Just boil it once and then we'll transfer it to a serving bowl. It tastes much better than the store-bought sachets of soups. So please do try this and I'm sure you'll love the taste.